Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna look at something different. iPod 12. I bought it from Wish. It is around £2. I just want to give it a try. What is it about? And £2, is it worth it? Few colors, you have blue, yellow, pink, green. Supporting features, you have Bluetooth, true wireless stereo, Bluetooth 5.0, Android, iOS, BT 5.2. So it's look like AirPods. Definitely not boxed or the way it's presented as AirPod. Okay, for some reason I bought the pink one. Okay, let's see what we have. Lightning adapter. So instead of having micro USB, they went pretty much all in. So they try the best. So a USB to lightning adapter. I don't know Chinese, no idea. Let's try our best. So iPod 12, so you have yellow, green, almost orange, blue, black, blue, light blue, and a white. 2 to 3 hours of playtime, charging in an hour. So the specs wise is very promising. Whoa, that is pink. Okay, it's definitely a small comparing with any of the AirPods. Definitely close like a AirPods. AirPods always is slightly wider, so instead of having this size, then you have this. So that is your pink AirPod, and you have the power button. Turn that on. So same size, but considerably very light. Power is on, so the buttons are right here. So you can actually see them. If you had a chance, you can actually see the buttons on here. So now I'm gonna try to connect. Let's give it a try to audio to see is it good. It's have the same ear feed as the AirPods. It's very light. So yeah, pause and play. It's quite loud. Let's see if I can use the headphone alone. So I can choose the right one alone. So now we're gonna put it back and see how easy to connect. Connection is not bad. Surprisingly, it's a dual system, so there is no master and slave. You can use either of the headphones to charge. So sounds really good. So let me try something else. It sounds really good. Genuinely surprised. For £2, definitely. Sounds genuinely is good. So now we're gonna go to YouTube. It's very clear, but zero bass. There is zero bass. Because I know this song. So audio wise it's very clear. A lot of delays. The audio to video. It'll take a few seconds to actually hear the words. Yeah, the bass is not that clear, so sounds really good. So a few things to consider if you are looking to buy one of these headphones. The quality, let's review that. So first of all, the quality wise audio, they are really good audio. There is a lot of delays when you're watching videos. When you're listening to a song, it's not much of a delays. When you're watching videos, regardless which platform you're watching from, there is a lot of delays. Identical to AirPods. And they are very light, and you have 2 hours of charge. I highly doubt that. After I use it for a while, it's giving me almost just an hour charge, hour of playtime, even though it say 2 to 3 hours of play. Again, no complaint because I paid just £2. Do I recommend buying this? No. Why? Because this is not tested according to UK or US standard. That all the electronics have to be tested to a standard where consumers can use it. Therefore, if you're wearing for long hours, if the headphone exploded, there is a high chance the headphone can overheat and explode in your ears. If that happened, because after use it for a while, this got really hot. So if you're considering buying it, don't buy it. Because if this headphone get exploded in your ears, you will be deaf permanently. And there is nobody you can blame except you. Don't do it. I know it's very tempting just for £2, especially wireless headphone, and it look like an AirPods. I know if you are going to school, you don't have much money to spend, but you want to listen songs, you want really good headphones. Don't waste your money on these. if you are buying electronics, especially electronics, you have to get it from a certified place, from a certified brand. Therefore, they are accountable. You can sue them if there is anything happen to you by using their products. There is nobody you can actually follow back, or you can track back who made this, which company made this. You can't, because they are in China. I'm not bashing it, but again, it's your health against somebody else try to make money out of you. If you are try to get a cheap pair of headphones, just get a wired headphone. If you have the money for a wired headphone, just get the wired headphone and use it. Don't buy a wireless headphone that is cheap and is made in China. I just bought it just for a fun, just to show you there is a lot of danger when you're buying electronics from fake companies. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video.